Thank you to everyone in St Helens, a population of around 180,000 people, with 13,000 on the shielding list, 17 residential and care homes, 12 nursing homes and 3 respite services, and 256 organisations who work within the community of St Helens. Thank you to GP practices, pharmacies and care homes. Emergency services, who as well as responding to emergency situations, help support by getting key information out to local residents. Teachers at schools and nurseries, who continue to provide services to vulnerable and key worker children. St Helens Contact Cares, which has supported 169 residents with hospital and Brookfield discharges, outpatient appointments, care home transfers and prescription support. They have also received over 21,000 calls and over 9,000 emails from local residents who required support or signposting to other services. Adult and children's social workers who have continued to support our most vulnerable within the community. St Helens Borough Council, who continued refuse collections, library services and council services that changed the way they worked. The St Helens Together campaign raised over £85,000. The money will go to the St Helens Community Hub, which is providing food to vulnerable residents during the current pandemic. Thank you to the staff at St Helens and Knowsley Teaching Hospitals NHS Trust for continuing to provide services such as managing the pandemic at its peak, continuing to provide critical care services, community nursing services, and they launched the Rapid Cancer Helpline, which has received over 80 calls. And thank you to the staff of North West Borough's Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust for children's services, adult services, community testing, and the launch of the 24/7 Mental Health Crisis Line, which has received 1,890 calls. And to local residents who delivered PPE and helped through volunteering and fundraising. 1,157 food parcels were delivered through the borough. And thank you to everyone who has supported the people of St Helens. The country came together through the Clap for Carers campaign. Thank you to the community of St Helens for following the government advice and guidelines, for supporting local businesses, and for adapting to new ways of using the NHS. There have been 195 deaths across St Helens due to COVID-19. Our thoughts are with the community who have lost loved ones at this time. St Helens Council has opened a book of condolence, which is available online.